Today, we will look some important short forms which are related to the medical biochemistry, which are frequently asked in the Viva as well as in the exam. So, full form of NADH that is commonly asked in the exam. NAD means nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. H means the hydrogen. Same from the NADH, one more that is NADPH. You have to remember same, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. P means phosphate and H means hydrogen. Both are the coenzyme which are derived from the vitamin B3, that is niacin. Same as the NADH, NADPH, you have to remember FMN and FAD. FMN means flavin mononucleotide, FAD means flavin adenine dinucleotide. Both are also coenzyme which are derived from the vitamin B2, that is riboflavin. From the flavin you can remember riboflavin. Same way, one more molecule that is FIGLU, generally written as a short form. FIGLU means form aminoglutamic acid, which is one of the intermediate produced as a metabolism of amino acid, which is utilized for the diagnose deficiency of folic acid. HPLC, that is one method of the chromatography, that is generally written as a short form. HPLC means high performance liquid chromatography. Same as a HPLC, some other important medical terminology for this biochemistry, that is ERPR, that is generally for the diagnosis or investigation of the particular tumor. Mostly it is utilized for the breast cancer. So for the breast cancer, ER means estrogen receptor, PR means progesterone receptor. For as a biology student, you have to remember full form of DNA and RNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA means ribonucleic acid. Mostly in biochemistry, NO, that is utilized for the nitric oxide. Same as a ALA, that is indicating delta aminolevulinic acid, which is related for the heme synthesis. Further, as a nutrient part or nutrition in biochemistry, RDA, that is commonly utilized as a short form, that is recommended daily allowance for the particular nutrient. FIS, that is fluorescent in situ hybridization, that is one of the method of hybridization that is indicating for the presence of particular molecule in the tissue, that is fluorescent in situ hybridization. Further, HDL means high density lipoprotein, LDL means low density lipoprotein, and VLDL means very low density lipoprotein. These three are the particular short form which are commonly used in a lipid profile. Basically, in lipid profile, cholesterol, triglyceride, HDL, LDL, and VLDL is done, but you have to remember the full form of these HDL, LDL, and VLDL. Don't confuse between LDH, that is lactate dehydrogenase enzyme. Same way, ELISA, RIA, that is one of the commonly used terminology, that is RIA means radioimmunoassay. TSH, that is thyroid stimulating hormone. CSF, that is cerebrospinal fluid. Sometime as a sample, that is CSF is written. So instead of blood, CSF is taken as a sample, that is called as CSF means cerebrospinal fluid. Same way, one more word, that is CoA, that is indicating coenzyme A. So that all are the full short form generally written in a medical biochemistry, and that is commonly practiced nowadays. So you have to remember the full form of all these particular important molecule. So it is also frequently asked in the interview also.